smell like dope, if you ever even have a funky smell in the car, they're going to be all over you and they're not going to treat you nice. You know what I mean?
I understand, sir.
Right. Even the faintest smell of alcohol, they're going to bring you out. Whether you're drunk or not, they're going to charge you with a second offense. And if you thought this was expensive, wait till you hit a second. If you thought this was a miserable experience, wait till you get a second. It all gets double as worse. So just don't. If you got to do anything, if you want to get lit, take an Uber. $20 will take you anywhere you want to go in the city. You're giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers. If you're not a citizen, there are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, there's no coming back. You plead guilty, it will go on your record. It'll be there for the rest of your life. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
This is what you want to do.
Yes, sir.
How do you plead to the offense, sir?
Guilty.
I will find you guilty. I will send you to 3 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 1 day that you've done. I'm going to suspend your license for 90 days. Do not drive until you get a license. Good luck to you, sir. Thanks.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Joe. All right, take care. Please see the clerk. I want you to understand, Mr. Leon, that I'm not happy with you. The only reason we're doing this here is because you're avoiding jail time because you did a test or you're supposed to take a test and you know it's showing up. And I want you to understand for the last 2 to 3 years, you've been a very violent and unbecoming person to Harris County. We're not going to take it at all. I will do everything in my power to protect my county, my town for as long as I can. And if that means locking you up for 6 months, I'm going to do it in a heartbeat. You will be required to pay the surcharges in this case. And if you don't pay it, every $100 you owe, you will sit your butt in jail for 1 day. Your surcharges are going to amount to around $3,500. So guess how much jail time you're going to be sitting if it's not paid. I'm not waiving it in your case because, quite frankly, do you deserve it? Do you?
I don't think so, sir.
Right. You know, I like to be nice and I like to help people when they really, really deserve it because it makes me feel warm and fuzzy. But you have 2 assaults of a family member. You have a felony discharging of a firearm. Now you have a DWI where you're constantly testing positive for dope or alcohol. No, it's time to come to pay the piper. And if you don't, you're going to be doing a hell of a lot of time in jail. It has nothing to do with Joe. It has nothing to do with them. It has to do with me. And I want you to understand, we're not going to take it here anymore. And I will do everything in my power to protect every person. And if that means locking you up for 6 months, I'm going to do it. That's it. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Get a clue because we're done. All I'm asking, our streets to be safe. No more assaults, no more firing arms, killing people on the highway. It's over. That's all we want. Good luck.
May I say something, Judge?
Sure.
I do want to say thank you for you helping me through the fear of going through the veteran affairs and seeking help.
I don't like to be angry and I don't like to be a mean person because that's not me. You know, my character is such that I like to get along with everybody. I don't like to fight with people. And I really despise it, you know, because you never know when you burn a bridge, when you're going to have to cross that bridge. I don't like it. And all we want you to do here is to think twice when you're out there in the public, because God forbid you make a move that you can't dig yourself out of the hole. Because if you have a gun, if you have some other device, a 4,000-pound device that can maim someone, God forbid you really do everlasting damage where if you kill yourself, great, but not anyone else, man. You know, it's not fair to everybody else. The veterans and they will help you with whatever help you need. And if you need any other help, we can do it as well. We can help you. We've got services, you know, I can appoint you a lawyer, you know, and I'm willing to give you any help that you need. And all you have to do is ask. You're walking out of here today, but I don't want you to do 25 years. I don't want you to do 50 years. And what's going on with you now? Something's happening. And if you can't recognize it, and if you can't get a hold of it, then God help us all. You know, I mean, 2 assaults, you know, a felony disorderly conduct with a firearm, now a DWI, you got to see it. It's something's happening. What? Are you angry, or what are you angry at? What's gotten a hold of you? That's I don't know.
We have a session coming up with the veterans, right?
Yes, I have
Appointments that, you know, you asked him to make, he's got those appointments, he's gonna make them. So
What are you doing?
recruitment.
Tell me.
I got it was a mental health evaluation.
Okay.
And I got blood work done, and I just got a call from the Veteran Affairs. It was for the PTSD and whatnot to proceed on
Why did
that.
we do this plea today?
PTSD, that's
Why
what
did
he
we do
wanted
this?
to do. He
But-
had to do it for him.
Were you going to test positive for something that you shouldn't have? Yeah. You know, mind over matter. You can get over it. It's mind over matter, right? You can, with the right help. You can't run forever. You just can't. Something is going to take, something is going to give. It's going to be either your mind, it's going to be your body. You'll put your lungs to sleep. You'll give yourself a heart attack, you know, cardiac arrest. You know, you can't keep with that type of, how old are you now?
33.
33. You're not 18. Once you hit my age, Joe's age, your body's not the temple that it used to be. You can't keep doing that hardcore crap anymore, because I'm telling you, you have but one body. And if you don't treat it really well, it's going to give out on you on an early age. I mean, how many people have we seen that have gone down the tubes at a really early age just because they keep doing stuff they shouldn't? I mean, I was talking with my, you know, last night I was watching the Blues Brothers. You ever watch that movie? You've never seen the Blues Brothers? Oh my Lord, where the hell have you been? Watch it. It has a guy by the name of John Belushi. This guy was just freaking incredible. Started out in Saturday Night Live, right? The actor was just phenomenal, just great. And he cut his life short because he's doing a speedball at like 33 years of age, right? He's doing cocaine, he's doing heroin, and his heart gave up on him. And we lost someone who was freaking great, you know, and how many people does it happen to? Your body's not going to last forever. I'll make you a deal, because to me, I don't give a crap about the money. I don't. If you do well with treatment and you show me that you keep up with it, and I see negative tests, I will take all these fines and fees off of you. But I have to know that you're not using. I will not waive anything from you ever if you're using. But if you can show me that you have negative drug test, right? And I want it from like a legitimate source, like Quest Diagnostic, not from Punkus City Labs where you can buy a drug test. But if you show me on a consistent basis that you are negative, I will kill the $3,500. But I got to know that you're doing it, you're legitimate, that you're getting care through the VA. And if you do that, to me, I don't care about the money. It's about seeing results. And what you've done with us now, you've done nothing good. As far as I can see. I don't know what you've done out there, but no one has brought me anything here of anything great that you've done. That is what makes me feel good. Knowing that you are trying to better yourself. And if you better yourself and you show it to me, because I'm not going to take your word for it. If you show it to me, I'll kill the money. But I'm going to tell you now, if you do nothing in your life and you don't pay this money, you're going to be sitting out $3,000. How much, Trey?
$3,420.
$3,420, $100 a day in jail. So you can imagine how much time you're going to be sitting in custody. One way or the other, you're going to pay with me, son. One way or the other. But like I said, the deal is if you can show me that you're getting treatment, that you've got negative drug tests, I'll kill the money from you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Deal?
Yes, sir.
Got the key to the jail cell. Joe, I love and respect you, but I can't do this. Not with what I've seen. I've now given you an incentive to try to better yourself. $3,400 I will kill for you. All I'm asking you to do is better yourself. That's all I want. Good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?